Welcome to Miami, 47.
Other stories related to, they're saying that Robert Knox has passed.
Hi there, welcome to the Global Innovation Race.
Hello, and welcome to the
Sir,
Global
if you want to
Innovation
come
Race.
through, I'm gonna have to pat you down.
How much time remaining? Don't
Just
worry,
relax.
folks. Anything
You'll be
can
on your way in
still
a sec.
happen.
Thank you.
Remember, folks, that endurance racing is all about getting your car to cover as many miles as possible, no matter how burned out or beat up it may be. We're here, and stands are over there on the left side of the engine.
I'm stressing out so much right now. I just saw a fight downstairs by the garage. Some guy dressed as one of the flamingo mascots just got jumped by this other man. I ran away as fast as I could.
We should call the security.
Oh, I don't know. I really don't want to get involved. I've got a lot of unpaid traffic tickets, you know? And the guy was definitely weird.
Anybody got it? Yeah. Thanks. Doctor gave me some sort of vitamin hydration boost, normally reserved for the drivers. Fixed me right up. What?
It's me. I'm here now, ready to meet up with Sierra Knox over at the hotel. Yeah, after the race.
Get up, sir. I need to check out the extent of your injuries first.
Oh, my head. Some guy jumped me. He stole my mascot out.
Yeah, I know it's dumb. I think I lost him in the scuffle, but the real mascot is still over there. If I don't get them, I've got no evidence. Bye-bye money. I don't know. I need to figure something out. I'll talk soon. Hey, yo, did you find some keys over there? Oh man, you're a real lifesaver. Thank you.
I love this job, man. People bitch a
The
lot.
race is entering its final lap, 47.
Yeah, that's right. What?
Time's up. We have our winner.
Good to see you, sir.
The race is over. Sierra will be coming off the track any time now.
#1 in Miami. Once again, Chinese racing flexes its muscles on the U.S. racer.
Nice outfit. Really brings out your eyes. Ms. Knox informed me you'd be here. She asked to make sure you brought the documents. So, did you bring the documents?
I have the papers right here.
Excellent. Come on in. Have a seat or something. I'll let Ms. Knox know you're here.
We still have a little time. Let's hope it's not like last year with the spring
How are you, sir?
celebrations. Keep your clothes on, folks. Please. Assassination, ladies and gentlemen, is on the way to the podium. They've rolled out the red carpet and the set. Rushing down there.
So, you here for a job application or what?
Something like that.
Nice. If you don't mind me saying so, your particular choice of attire is maybe a little, I don't know, off? For a job interview, I mean.
My suit is at the cleaners.
And you couldn't find anything else to wear.
Correct.
You must lead a very interesting life, my friend.
You
Yes,
have no idea.
There's a guy here wearing a mascot outfit claiming you have an appointment with him. Wouldn't give his name. Got it. I'll let him know you're en route.
Hey, Flamingo guy. Miss Knox is on her way. Grab a seat somewhere. She'll be here as soon as she can.
Ladies and gentlemen, sponsor of the global innovations. Enabling hair loss, depression, Blue Sea brings you high-quality pharmaceuticals and prices.
So, Mr. I never did catch your name.
Names are for friends.
Very well. Straight to the point in all business. Walk with me.
Where are we going?
Don't worry. What am I gonna do?
man.
Kill you in broad daylight. I just want a bit of privacy here. Not about to do sensitive business like this in front of an audience.
Good idea.
So just to get this straight, you claimed in your email to have somehow found internal reports that show Kronstadt's involvement in the Tungan Valley massacre.
Sounds about right.
Let's be clear. You and I are having this meeting because my father doesn't need to know about this. It's just another undesired distraction. I don't care if the information is true or false. I don't care if it mentions moving money from the Nexus project into Tungan Valley damage control, as you claimed in your correspondence. I do care about protecting my father, which is why you and I are now here.
I see.
Leave me alone for a few minutes, guys.
Sure thing, Miss Knox. If you need us, just call. We're right around the corner.
So here's the deal. You hand over the documents and leave, and that's the end of it. And you will do that now. So here are the two possible outcomes of this meeting. One, you will leave this place and this country for good, and that will be the end of it. Everyone lives happily ever after. Two, you don't choose option one. Someone dies, right here, right now. Which do you prefer?
Not much of a choice, is it?
No, not really. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Target down. Next up, Robert Knox.
I'm telling you, Miss Knox is going to be pissed. I did the pre-race checkup on her, and well, let's just say she's got a bad case of intuition.
It's not looking good.
No, it's going to sound crazy, but I've gotten involved with this climate change activist so that
Octane booster, huh? What is that stuff anyway?
I think some of the teams are using it to increase car sales. Heard a few Kronstadt mechanics talking about it the other day. Something about Knox not wanting to use it because she wants to win on her own.
Imagine that. Isn't that illegal?
I don't know. Knox ordered them to put it here, so they asked me to put it here. So I just... did that. Not touching it again.
Sounds like a good idea.
Just supposed to grab it if something happens to it. No poking around the engine or anything like that.
Knox is a genuine technical genius. Huh. Why's the engine off? Let's just try to get this started again. Well, that doesn't sound good. Better call Knox. Mr. Knox? Yeah, it's Smith from down at the expo. Listen, the Mark III's making some, well, just odd noises. Can you come? Great. All right. Yeah, I'll be here.
I swear to God, if someone's been tampering with the car, heads will roll. I need you to get in the car. Don't touch anything until I tell you. This is very strange. It shouldn't behave like this at all. Try the engine, Smith. All right, try it now. This should work. Ah, here we are. Just a loose wire back there. Let me just reattach it. Good. Hit it, Smith. Oh no!
Both targets down. Well done, 47. Head for an exit, and we'll speak again soon.
I got it, Smith. Body's still warm, so the killer can't be far.